Welcome to Camp Berkshire, a place to meet God and nature. For decades, we have been a central meeting place for the over 30,000 members of the Greater New York Conference and thousands from other conferences. We are located at 680 Berkshire Road, Wingdale, New York. Our campground provides the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. We are a great oasis, a place of restoration and escape, a place to meet God and nature. Throughout the year, you will find various groups and communities enjoying the facilities. Join us for our youth camps, retreats, prayer conventions, camp meetings, and so much more. Our facility is the place you've been looking for to host your next event. We offer updated lodging facilities, including private rooms and family units with full-size kitchen, a spacious kitchen and dining area, a mid-sized auditorium with a seating capacity of up to 250 persons, and a larger, recently renovated auditorium with a seating capacity for 1,600 individuals, among many other facilities. Come and enjoy plenty of outdoor camping areas, direct lake access, access to boating, trails, pool, gymnasium, basketball, soccer, softball, and more. Camp Berkshire has proven its ability for 6 decades as a dynamic event facility. Whether you're hosting a large family gathering, wedding, a church event, some other special function, or just having a restful vacation, we can help you create a memorable occasion. Make your reservations today at gnyc.org/Camp Berkshire or call 845-832-6681 for details. Camp Berkshire, a place to meet God and nature.